Right, here we are at Bandra's Joggers Park, and with me as usual Pradeep Nambiar and of course Revati. लेकिन अभी क्या हुआ है कि the Joggers Park has now been taken over by the BMC.
Yes.
और BMC ने take over कर लिया है, and the BMC now says that this is part of their plan to reclaim all the open spaces that they had given out.
Yes.
Now, and the people over here fear that God knows what is going to happen to their Joggers Park, which is perhaps one of the most beautifully maintained parks, not only here but in the entire country.
And this especially Carter Road is one of the best places where all the people come here and jog.
Yes.
Carter Road, Bandra West.
Yes.
And it's absolutely beautiful. अब जिस प्रकार से देखोगे, so maintained so well.
Right. This is a really lovely place.
Yes.
And but will the BMC be actually able to maintain it? You know what? I doubt it very much.
So all the residents have got together here. Like BMC can't maintain it, and we don't want flags here.
Amazing.
Listen, no flags, no political flags.
Yes.
We wanted
no political flags and no big posters thanking individual politicians.
No marketing. No brands, no corporates.
Right.
Shama ji is there. She's been
We met before.
Yes, of course.
We met
Thank you,
before,
ma'am.
yes.
Thank you very much.
He's been very kind and regularly walking.
Yes.
The regular
We all are
jogger.
there.
Please come.
So Naseem bhai is there.
How are you, sir? Thank you very much. Thank you so much. How are you? How are you? How are you, sir? How are you?
हमने से वो 27 साल से वॉक कर रहे हैं।
27 साल से वॉक कर रहा हूँ। जब यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है।
And maintain it the way it was or little better.
Yes.
Each one of us is ready for doing that.
Right. No, but the BMC says, BMC का ये कहना है कि भाई, we have reclaimed all the open spaces that we had leased out. That's what they say. Now, their suspicion is, this is my suspicion, I may be completely wrong, you might disagree with me, that as far as BMC is concerned, if all of us don't watch out, I think this place will go to seed, like everything else.
But my 1 minute. My question is, question is that if they are saying that they are reclaiming every land that is given, why are they not reclaiming the land that has been usurped by the politicians?
Yes.
Why when Mr. Gopal
Most important point.
Mr. Gopal Shetty or Matushri or anybody else,
Yes.
I'm not talking about any one particular party,
Yes.
they have all usurped open spaces which belongs to me.
Yes.
Why are you not taking that back?
Correct.
Why are you touching something that has been for the last 27 years the best park in Mumbai?
And this used to be a dumping ground.
Exactly. And we have worked with Mr. Oliver Andrade, sir.
Yes.
My children have played here, my grandchildren have played here.
Wow.
So where's the question of you people saying that this is,
You want to speak something?
this is wrong, absolutely wrong.
जी आज़म भाई बोलिए आप बोलिए क्या करना चाहिए बताइए
ये जिस दिन हम लोगों को मालूम पड़ा कि ये BMC का
जोर से बोलें
BMC
फिर बाद में बोलिएगा कि नहीं बाद में ये मत बोलिएगा कि आपकी आवाज नहीं आई
सर हमारे पास इतनी जोर से बोलने वाले हैं कि हम लोग को माइक की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी लेकिन हम लोग रूल रेगुलेशन फॉलो करने वाले लोग हैं
जी
और ये जॉगर्स पार्क जैसे पार्क जो है हमारे न सिर्फ बांद्रा के लिए बल्कि पूरे बॉम्बे के लिए एक प्राइड है we feel proud to be here in this park and we have seen this park has been maintained very well. The day we came to know कि म्यूनसिपैलिटी ने लिया है तो हमको बड़ा खौफ हुआ डर हुआ कि भाई इसके अंदर आज तक म्यूनसिपैलिटी ने कोई भी चीज जो ली है उसको मेंटेन बराबर नहीं की है।
दुरुस्त बात ये बात बिल्कुल दुरुस्त है
जी तो हमको वो खौफ है उस खौफ के लिए हम सब जमा
म्यूनिसिपैलिटी अगर ये ले जो उन्होंने अभी टेक ओवर कर लिया है वैसे बाय द वे तो आपको क्या लगता है क्या होने वाला है व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज गोना हैपन
नहीं मैं प्रेजुडिस नहीं हूँ म्यूनिसिपल बोर्ड भी काम अच्छा करेगा बट मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि इस तरह के तमाम ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के लिए जो लूप होल्स है करने के लिए एक लोकल लोगों की एक कमेटी एडवाइजरी या सजेशन होनी चाहिए ताकि उसकी लाइफ में ऑफिसर काम कर सके वाला हो सके उसका।
जी
ये नसीब की बात बिल्कुल
जी हाँ।
और मेरे ख्याल से खौफ छिपा हुआ है। म्यूनिसिपैलिटी की तो गड़बड़ कहीं ना कहीं हो सकती है, इसलिए इन्होंने सजेस्ट किया कि एक गवर्नमेंट बॉडी जो इसको वाच करे, जो कि देख रहे कोई और इससे ज्यादा
ठीक है के खिलाफ criticism against the BMC was that they have given away a lot of open spaces to politicians, to various builders, and so forth, and they have misused those spaces. So now BMC has reclaimed spaces that they had leased out. Also there. Now,
But they haven't reclaimed it politicians yet.
They've got a point, actually.
they do either.
Exactly.
Because they built over there,
Yeah.
all the open spaces have disappeared. Right. As far as this place is concerned, matlab,
never.
We realized that BMC is going to come over and then ask us to let this and one Chaturvedi and all went there.
And so it was so spontaneous that rid of us men sure that he
सबसे लोखंडवाला के रिलेटिव से मिले, भाई आप बोल रहे हैं
जी
तो उन्होंने कहा कुछ हमारी बंद हो रही है और बोर्ड नहीं चाहता साथ है, हम इसको डिजाइन कर रहे हैं। हमने कहा कि आप इसको मेंटेन कीजिए, हर कम हम देंगे
जी
कि मैं 3 नाम लेना तो नाम दे दूंगा।
क्या है?
कबीर वाले
जी
सरदार जी उन्होंने हम 50-50 इन्वेस्ट कर दे, नाम हमें कोई अहदा भी नहीं चाहिए, हम इसके में अगर ये सही हाथों में रहता है तो हम इसका बर्दाश्त
जी
करेंगे।
जी जी
मिस्टर
then what is the problem? Why
प्रॉब्लम ने बाद में विड्रॉ कर लिया,
जी
जब विड्रॉ कर लिया क्या है, किसके हाथों में जाएगा और क्या होगा?
जी
लेडीज आई हमारी के साथ यहाँ पे तो बेगर्स आ रहे हैं, यहाँ बाथरूम यूज हो रहा
और
है।
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि अभी तो उन्होंने वो रुपए की एंट्री फीस भी बंद कर दी है। इट इज नाउ फ्री फॉल।
sir is अभी 15 घंटे रखने। अभी पहले क्या होता था 5:30 से 9:30 बजे तक और 9:30 से 3:30 बंद होता था दोपहर के टाइम पे when used to do the work over here. Now it's maintained. Now it's kept open in the afternoon. You've got all kinds of people coming and making the toilets filthy.
And Pradeep, I'm coming to you. And now, at least one should be grateful for the fact
Exactly. Exactly.
this has not been converted into an open loo as yet.
As
Builders around here are concerned, as far as the municipality around here is concerned, उनके लिए this is a dumping ground. ये लोग जो हैं यहाँ पर 30 के 40 बरस से यहीं पर रह रहे हैं। ये प्राइवेट लैंड है।
चल सर हम भी ये चाहते हैं कि हमारा ये एरिया डेवलप हो।
सुंदर नगर के इलाके में कलीना में
progressive steps of the government for the benefit of the citizens does not reach the citizens because of this builder developer law.
यहाँ किसी को नदी दिख रही है क्या? Is there a river here? builders around here are concerned, as far as the municipality around here is concerned, उनके लिए this is a dumping ground. ये लोग जो हैं यहाँ पर 30 के 40 बरस से यहीं पर रह रहे हैं. ये प्राइवेट लैंड है.
एक्चुअल में सर हम भी ये चाहते हैं कि हमारा ये एरिया डेवलप हो.
सुंदर नगर के इलाके में, कलीना में.
Progressive steps of the government for the benefit of the citizens does not reach the citizens because of this builder developer law.
यहाँ किसी को नदी दिख रही है क्या? Is there a river here? Here we are again at अंधेरी स्टेशन. एक बार फिर हम लोग अंधेरी स्टेशन के सामने हैं, या राधा अंधेरी स्टेशन हमारे पीछे है. और इस वक्त हमारे साथ हैं हमारे बहुत पुराने मित्र मोहसिन हैदर. मोहसिन हैदर इस वक्त हमारे साथ हैं. मोहसिन हैदर जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप यहाँ पर आए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. एंड ऑफ कोर्स प्रदीप नाम्बिया राइट हियर विद मी, ऑल्सो रेवती बजाज ऑल्सो राइट हियर विद मी. और हमारे साथ हैं बाकी सब लोग भी. मोहसिन साहब, आप जनप्रतिनिधि हैं जी. आप मुझे ये बताइए, जनता मतलब सब लोग आगे जनता जी. अब प्रदीप भाई, आप ये देखिए कि जहाँ तक इन शॉप्स का सवाल है, हम जैसे अभी भी बात कर रहे थे, हर एक कोई ऐसी दुकान यहाँ पर नहीं है, एक या दो को छोड़ के, जिन्होंने एनक्रोचमेंट ना करी हो. उनके खिलाफ कोई एक्शन नहीं होता है. जो बेचारा सबसे छोटा सा आदमी है, फेरी लगा रहा है, बिल्कुल नीचे बैठा हुआ है, उसके खिलाफ आप बार बार एक्शन कर रहे हैं, क्या मतलब है इसका?
बजाज जी, बिल्कुल ठीक फरमाया आपने. अब ये जो मुद्दा आपने बताया, फेरी वालों का मुद्दा, जो हॉकर्स का मुद्दा, फुटपाथ पर जो अपने जीवन गुजारने के लिए मजबूरन जो है धूप में, बारिश में और हर तरह के मौसम में बेचारे एक्सपोज होकर रोड पर कारोबार करते हैं, उनकी तरफ से एक ज्यादती और जुल्म जो है मुंबई म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन कर रही है, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं जी. और जहां पर सरमाएदार हो जी, बड़े तबके के लोग हो, बड़ी पार्टी हो, अगर एंकरेज करता है तो उसमें ठीक है. अभी 2-4 दिन से जी एक आंखों में कहते हैं ना, धूल डालने बरोबर जी जी म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर ने कहा भी उन पर भी कार्रवाई कीजिए, तो एक आध दिन बताने के लिए एक आध जगह पर कार्रवाई की गई जी. वरना अक्सर यूँ देखा जाता है, जो गरीब तबके के लोग हैं जी, उस पर ज्यादती होती है. जो सरमाएदार है, जो साहिब हैसियत है, जो साहिब माल है, उनकी गिरोबान तक हाथ डालने के लिए बड़ा सोचना पड़ता है, और वहाँ तक मेरे हिसाब से वे पहुँच नहीं पाते हैं. और
लेकिन मोहसिन साहब, देखिए, चलिए आप कांग्रेस में, ठीक है, पहले आप समाजवादी पार्टी में हुआ करते थे, आज की तारीख में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सत्ता है, ठीक है, लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री तो एक ही हैं. हम सबके प्रधानमंत्री हैं ना. नरेंद्र मोदी जी आपके भी प्रधानमंत्री हैं, मेरे भी प्रधानमंत्री हैं, प्रदीप जी के भी प्रधानमंत्री हैं, हम सबके प्रधानमंत्री हैं. उन्होंने कहा है सबका साथ सबका विकास. उन्होंने कहा है कि सबसे छोटे तबके का जो आदमी है, जब वो अपना व्यवसाय करेगा तो ही जा करके भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था में बदलाव आएगा. बात बिल्कुल ठीक है. अब सबसे छोटे तबके का कौन शख्स है?
वही सड़क पर
जो सड़क पर फेरी वाला है. अब उसके खिलाफ अगर आप एक्शन लेंगे तो आपका 7.5% GDP ग्रोथ रेट कहां से होगा, आप बताइए मुझे.
बिल्कुल आपने दुरुस्त फरमाया। ठीक है, ये आज आदरणीय हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं
जी।
खैर उन्होंने जो बात कही उस पर अमली जामा नहीं पहनाया जा रहा है
जी।
ये सिर्फ हॉकरों का ही मसले पर नहीं है, अगर पॉलिटिकल देखा है तो कई ऐसे इश्यूज है जो बोलते कुछ है और होता कुछ है
जी।
उससे बेहतर मैं कहूँगा उन्हीं की पार्टी के अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी थे
जी,
जिनके कार्यकाल में ही पार्लियामेंट में जो है वेंडर्स का जो है ये कायदा बनना शुरू हुआ
जी।
और उन्होंने ही, हालांकि कांग्रेस में होते हुए मैं कहता हूँ कि उन्होंने ही एक शुरुआत की थी
जी
कि भाई ये जो सड़क पर जो कारोबार करते हैं ये बहुत ज्यादा तादाद में है पूरे हिंदुस्तान में
जी।
मुंबई शहर में नहीं
जी,
बड़े बड़े शहरों में नहीं, अक्सर छोटे छोटे शहरों में भी नजर आता है कि भाई कारोबार करते हैं और मजबूरन।
दुरुस्त बात है।
मैं नहीं समझता हूँ कि कोई शौक है, कोई बड़ा
Right, here we are at Bandra's Joggers Park, and with me, as usual, Pradeep Nambiar and of course Revati. लेकिन अभी क्या हुआ है कि the Joggers Park has now been taken over by the BMC.
Yes, yes.
और BMC ने take over कर लिया है, and the BMC now says that this is part of their plan to reclaim all the open spaces that they had given out.
Yes, 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 yes.
Now, and the people over here fear that God knows what is going to happen to their Joggers Park, which is perhaps one of the most beautifully maintained parks, not only here but in the entire country.
And this especially Carter Road is one of the best places where all the people come here and jog.
Yes.
Carter Road, Bandra West.
Yes.
And it's absolutely beautiful. अब जिस प्रकार से देखोगे, so maintained so well.
Right. This is a really lovely place.
Yes.
And but will the BMC be actually able to maintain it? You know what? I doubt it very much.
So all the residents have got together here. Well, like
Yes.
BMC can't maintain it, and we don't want flags here.
Amazing.
They said no flags, no political flags.
Yes.
We wanted
no political flags and no big posters thanking individual politicians.
No marketing. No brands. No brands. No brands. No corporates.
Right.
Shama ji is there. She's been
We met before.
Yes, of course.
We met
Thank you,
before,
ma'am.
yes.
Thank you very much.
He's been very kind and regularly walking.
Yes.
The
So
regular
we all are
jogger.
there.
Please come.
So Naseem bhai is there.
How are you, sir? Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
रहता भी मैं
How are
यही
you?
हूँ।
How are you? How are you, sir? How are you?
सामने से बोले सर 27 साल से वॉक कर रहे हैं, 27 साल से वॉक कर रहा हूँ, जब यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं था।
And maintain it the way it was or little better.
Yes.
Each one of us is ready for doing that.
Right. No, but the BMC says, BMC का ये कहना है कि भाई, we have reclaimed all the open spaces that we had leased out. That's what they say. Now, their suspicion is, this is my suspicion, I may be completely wrong, you might disagree with me, that as far as the BMC is concerned, if all of us don't watch out, I think this place will go to seed, like everything else.
But one minute. My question is, question is that if they are saying that they are reclaiming every land that is given, why are they not reclaiming the land that has been usurped by the politicians?
Yes.
Why when Mr. Gopal
Most important
Shetty,
point,
when
yes.
Mr. Gopal Shetty or Matushri or anybody else,
Yes.
I'm not talking about any one particular party,
Yes.
they've all usurped open spaces which belongs to me.
Yes.
Why are you not taking that back?
Correct.
Why are you touching something that has been for the last 27 years the best park in Mumbai?
And this used to be a dumping ground.
Exactly. And we have worked with Mr. My grandchildren have played here.
Wow.
So what's the question of you people saying that this is,
You want to speak something?
this is wrong, absolutely wrong.
जी, आसिफ भाई बोलिए, आप बोलिए, क्या करना चाहिए बताइए?
ये जिस दिन हम लोगों को पता कि ये BMC का
जोर से बोलें।
BMC
फिर बाद में बोलिएगा कि नहीं, बाद में ये मत बोलिएगा कि आपकी आवाज नहीं आई।
सर हमारे पास इतनी जोर से बोलने वाले हैं कि हम लोग को माइक की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, लेकिन हम लोग रूल रेगुलेशन फॉलो करने वाले लोग हैं
जी।
और ये जॉगर्स पार्क जैसे पार्क जो है हमारे न सिर्फ बांद्रा के लिए बल्कि पूरे बॉम्बे के लिए एक प्राइड है. We feel proud to be here in these parks, and we have seen this park has been maintained very well. The day we came to know कि म्यूनसिपैलिटी ने लिया है तो हमको बड़ा खौफ हुआ, डर हुआ कि भाई इसके अंदर आज तक म्यूनसिपैलिटी ने कोई भी चीज़ जो ली है उसको मेंटेन बराबर नहीं की है।
दुरुस्त बात, ये बात बिल्कुल दुरुस्त है
जी। तो हमको वो खौफ है, उस खौफ के लिए हम सब जमा हुए।
आप बताएं, म्यूनिसिपैलिटी अगर ये ले लेती है जो उन्होंने अभी टेक ओवर कर लिया है वैसे बाय द वे, तो आपको क्या लगता है क्या होने वाला है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज गोना हैपन हियर?
नहीं, मैं प्रेजुडिस नहीं हूँ
जी।
आई एग्री कि म्यूनिसिपल बोर्ड भी काम अच्छा करेगा, बट मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि इस तरह के तमाम ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के लिए जो लूप होल्स हैं वो बंद करने के लिए एक लोकल लोगों की एक कमेटी, छोटी सी कमेटी एडवाइजरी या सजेशन देने के लिए होनी चाहिए, ताकि उसकी लाइट में म्यूनिसिपल ऑफिसर्स काम कर सकें
जी,
और कोई भी शिकायत हो तो उसको इजाला हो सके
जी।
ये नसीम साहब की बात बिल्कुल सही है
जी।
और मेरे ख्याल से उसमें ये खौफ छिपा हुआ है
जी
कि म्यूनिसिपैलिटी ले लेगी तो गड़बड़ कहीं ना कहीं हो सकती है, इसलिए इन्होंने सजेस्ट किया है कि एक प्राइवेट बॉडी हो जो इसको वाउच करे, जो हम लोग इसकी देख रेख करें। हमारा कोई और इससे ज्यादा
मेरी ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा, कोई मुझे ये समझाए सर। अरे भाई चलो ठीक है, क्रिटिसिज्म था बीएमसी के खिलाफ जी। Now this I must give a little bit of a background over here. The criticism against the BMC was that they have given away a lot of open spaces to politicians, to various builders and so on and so forth, and they have misused those spaces. So now the BMC has reclaimed 216 open spaces that they had leased out, in which this is also there. Now,
but they haven't reclaimed it from the politicians yet.
They've got a point. Actually,
they won't be able to either.
Exactly.
Because they've already built over there.
Yeah.
All the open spaces have disappeared from all those places.
Absolutely.
Right.
Yeah.
But as far as this place is concerned, was any of you ever consulted that these people are going to do that?
No,
Never. We just came here.
That one day we realized that BMC is going to come over, and then everyone got up. And Asif was the person who led this, and one Mr. Chaturvedi, and they all went there.
And so it was so spontaneous that 200 of us met just here that evening.
सबसे पहले हम मिस्टर लोखंडवाला के रिलेटिव से मिले
जी
कि भाई आप वाकई छोड़ रहे हैं
जी।
तो उन्होंने कहा कुछ हमारी कंपनी बंद हो रही है और म्यूनिसिपल बोर्ड भी नहीं चाहता कि हमारे साथ रहे, ज्यादा हम इसको ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। तो हमने उनको कहा कि आप इसको मेंटेन कीजिए, खर्चा अगर कम कर रहा है तो हम देंगे जी। तो यहाँ के मैं 3-4 नाम लेना बाद में अगर आप चाहेंगे तो नाम दे दूंगा।
क्यों अभी लीजिए, क्या
कबीर वाले
जी,
फिर मिस्टर बख्शी बिल्डर सरदार जी उन्होंने कहा हम 50-50 लाख रुपए तक इन्वेस्ट कर देंगे, नो नाम, हमें कोई ओहदा भी नहीं चाहिए, हम इसके अगर ये सही हाथों में रहता है तो हम इसके खर्चे का बर्दाश्त करेंगे जी। मिस्टर गुलाब भाई
then what is the problem? Why didn't they do it?
प्रॉब्लम ये कि उन्होंने बाद में विड्रॉ कर लिया
जी।
जब विड्रॉ कर लिया तो हमको खौफ हुआ कि अब ये किसके हाथों में जाएगा और क्या होगा
जी।
चंद लेडीज आई हमारी के साथ, यहाँ पे तो बेगर्स आ रहे हैं, यहाँ तो बाथरूम यूज हो रहा है।
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि अभी तो उन्होंने वो 2 रुपए की एंट्री फीस भी बंद कर दी है। It is now free for all. Not just about
worse sir is अभी 15 घंटे खुले रखने वाली है। अभी पहले क्या होता था 5:30 से 9:30 बजे तक और 9:30 से 3:30 बंद होता था दोपहर के टाइम पे, when they used to do the work over here. Now it's maintain the work. Now it is kept open in the afternoons. You've got all kinds of people coming and making the toilets filthy.
right.
And
till now,
similarly, this
hang on a minute, Pradeep, I'm coming to you. And now, at least one should be grateful for the fact that they are only using the toilets.
Exactly.
This entire place has not been converted into an open loo as yet. As yet. Right. So what are we planning to do about it?
See,
सर वो 2 रुपए जो कट हुए हैं
हाँ.
उसकी वजह से it has become a road. Everybody, anybody just coming over and going.
No, no.
that day, sir, there was one incident. I'm sorry to interrupt. There is a children's area. One mother came and told me, "Auntie, please do something. There is one man drinking over here." Now, when
Drinking?
he had a bottle with him, alcohol.
He's also seen. This gentleman at the back has seen his
He's
this.
also seen.
आइए बताइए ना क्या हुआ?
They were sitting there.
Yes.
I only went and complained to the watchman, that Nepali watchman with the lion. I went and complained. Then somebody they took him there and put
But
him
then
out.
these things are bound to happen. If this happens, then this is bound to
But
happen.
as she says, it never happened earlier.
Never
Let's
happened
put it-
earlier.
I'll tell you what happened. There were similar gardens in Kalina. You know, there were
Right.
schools around that,
Yes.
opposite that.
Yes.
Because it's not maintained properly by the BMC, you had all urchins and coming up there, and all kind of people coming up there,
doing
and
a lot of
misusing-
nonsense there.
lot of nonsense there.
Right.
And until all the residents like this came out.
Yes.
All the residents came out, and they had to station a police van continuously till things improved over there.
Gee.
Now, there's the same fear here, as they say,
Gee.
that this park will be taken over by some people. Yes.
Antisocial
आप
elements.
बताएं, आप बताएं, बताएं.
Antisocial elements, yes.
So I think so. What we have, what we have done is we really wanted the BMC to ensure that the park is in a better condition than that they took over
Yes.
on 1st February. They've assured us, but the proof is in the pudding.
Yes.
As you have already mentioned about a lot of other places which have deteriorated.
Yes.
Our concern is that we have formed a group called Save Joggers Park. Save Joggers.
Save Joggers Park. That's the name of the group.
It's a voluntary.
Does it have an email? Does it have an email?
It's a voluntary group that
All right.
it was a very sporadic.
You have a WhatsApp group?
Yeah, we have a WhatsApp group.
What
We
are
have
the
a-
details of the WhatsApp group? How does anybody
we
want
add
to join?
we add anybody who wants to join. There are a couple of admins that are, there's a Facebook group of that. There's a Facebook page for that.
And it's
we're
called
very-
Save Joggers Park.
Save Joggers Park.
All
It's
right.
called Save Joggers Park.
All right, great.
Now, one of the petition that we have asked the water officer is that Save Joggers Park group
Yes.
should be handed over the maintenance of the park. We will
Right.
take care of it.
This is a beautiful scene.
What a lovely view you get from here. This is absolutely beautiful.
This scene,
Yes.
even in Los Angeles Sunset Bay.
Yes.
Better than that.
ये view तो वहाँ पर भी
फॉर
नहीं
द
मिला।
योर इन्फॉर्मेशन जब ये मिस्टर राणे ने यहाँ पे ये क्या किया और शिंदे साहब ने आके इनको बिल्डर्स को कहा कि भाई कुछ हेल्प करो और उन लोगों ने कंट्रीब्यूट किया तो हमें ये जगह अलाट की गई अलाट नहीं की गई ऑफिशियली अलाट नहीं की गई हमें इजाज़त दी गई कि सीनियर सिटीजन 4 आदमी थे हम सरदार जी मैं और दूसरे ये राउत साहब बैठे हैं तो हम ये कुर्सी
You're a senior citizen?
सीनियर
I look elder to you.
हम वॉक नहीं करते ना ये 27 साल से walk करते हैं।
तो मैं यहाँ 25 साल से बैठता हूँ जब से बना है
क्या बात है जनाब।
शिंदे साहब से पहचानते उन लोगों से थी दैट इज अनदर थिंग तो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये जगह आज तक हमारे लिए किसी ने छीनी नहीं ये 4 कुर्सियाँ हमारी परमानेंट हैं सुबह और शाम के लिए
क्या बात है।
तो ये इतनी रेगुलर है तो हम चाहते हैं कि जो जिस तरह टाइमिंग चलता था वही चलता रहे
जी।
जिस तरह लोग आते थे वो आते रहे
लेकिन आपको लगता है मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ क्योंकि आशीष शेलार जो हैं वैसे मित्र हैं हमारे बड़े अच्छे उनकी एक स्टेटमेंट आई थी उन्होंने कहा था कि यहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी भी बहुत अच्छी होगी एक चीज ये 6 फरवरी की स्टेटमेंट है दैट देयर बी वेरी गुड सिक्योरिटी देयर बी वेरी गुड एवरीथिंग नाउ माय पॉइंट इज सर
आज की तारीख में नहीं है सर जो उन्होंने बोला था
अभी वो हुआ कि नहीं अभी ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीना हो गया है
इस तरह पत्थर रखे हुए हैं लोग उसके ऊपर चढ़ के ऊपर आ जाते हैं सर
जो इंसिडेंट
चलिए आपको वो
जी बताएं
सजेशन है मैं सुबह को भी आता हूँ शाम को भी आता हूँ
जी बताइए
इसके इधर फेंस लगाएं जितनी वो दीवार है ना
हाँ जी
वहाँ तक की एक फेंस लगाएं उससे कोई व्यू रुकेगा नहीं वो फेंस के अंदर काफी वो नजर आने के लिए होता है
जी
हाँ
जी
वो यहाँ से
Now,
लेकर
what are we going to do? My point is, this has been done. You see, at the moment, this is now with the BMC. All right? So what are we going to do? What are we planning to do?
Since
Yes.
you mentioned the MLA or whatever it is, we would as far as possible like to keep all politicians out. Because then it becomes a political, oh, it's my party is doing this party is doing this. No, let the local councillor, whoever he is elected, we will put pressure on him. It is the
So which
citizen.
means we'll have to wait for the election of the new mayor, right? It's only after that anything can be done.
No,
Already in position.
a few days.
But they've not been sworn in yet, no? As far as I know.
Nine judges are sworn in.
Arif is
But I think he's
Arif is the older person.
Asif Zakaria is very good. He's been a councillor here before also.
and he
Meeting is
himself
going on.
comes here every
Yeah,
morning.
he
Which is
walks
good for
around.
everybody.
The councillor walks here every morning.
Wonderful.
Jogs
Zakaria
here.
comes here every day
Jogs every
and
day.
walks in the morning.
Right?
हम उसको सुबह भी देखते हैं कई बार शाम को.
क्या बात है जनाब?
So the very fact that they're saying that the insecurity has crept into them. जैसे कहते हैं कि बड़े-बड़े fences लगा हुआ. ये पहले बार लोग ऐसे react कर रहे हैं कि immediately BMC टेकने के बाद.
कभी नहीं था.
जी
For 25 years this was, they said it was open the way it was. Yes, 27 years. And suddenly the insecurity has crept into them. They want huge fences.
I'll give you a simple example. You know, we've got animals and birds over here.
Yes.
There's a beautiful cock, okay?
Yes.
That day before yesterday, that cock went out of the gate. That's the last we saw of him. Somebody who was
So now what? So अभी his butter chicken has been made out of it.
out of him. I mean, this is terrible. I'm just giving you an example of how.
So all the animals that they really, took care of here all
and
disappeared.
very shortly somebody's going to get the geese too.
Yes.
That's going to be terrible.
The ducks.
Save Joggers
And the
Park
ducks.
have already given in writing to the local ward officer that these are the people who are prepared to manage it on a selfless basis.
Yes.
And I don't know what action they take.
Right.
They have to, if they don't like those persons, it's a different thing. But they are citizens of this area.
Yes. No, that is the most important thing. ये सबसे important चीज जो है नहीं जो इन्होंने भी पहले बोला था कि भाई अच्छा what were the timings earlier जरा बताएं
5 to 9:30
Yeah. 5.
and then again 5 to 9:30.
No. 3:30 to 3:30.
हमारे सीनियर सिटीजन बहुत पुराने आते हैं
जी
यहाँ आके बैठते हैं
जी we can let's go talk to everybody. You guys want to talk? You want to talk? Let's go there let's talk to everybody. जी This is really wonderful, and what a wonderful view. What a really wonderful view. Now the point is, everybody is kind of worried at the fact that the BMC might just destroy this place. I hope we are not disturbing the joggers already. I hope. Good morning, good evening. My name is Rajiv Bajaj. How do you do? Good to see you. Good morning, good evening, sir. Good evening. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Welcome to the RKB show. Thank you very much.
We want this park to be a wonderful place.
Yes.
Because we come in the evening, we are senior citizen. That is the only recreation we have in the city.
Yes.
So,
But now that the BMC has taken over, what do you fear? आपको क्या लग रहा है? कुछ डर का माहौल है, कुछ आशंका है? डर छोड़िए, डर तो नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
यही है कि वो मेंटेन कर सकेंगे.
जी.
वही आशंका है.
भाई आज तक BMC ने क्या मेंटेन किया है? मतलब मुझे वो तो सोचना पड़ेगा.
आपको मालूम नहीं है.
ये भाई साहब ने अपने पूरे ग्रुप की तरफ से कहा है कि हमारी तरफ से जिस चीज की भी जरूरत हो हम तैयार हैं. ये पार्क बिल्कुल हमेशा ऐसी
क्या बात. That's a good idea.
ओपन कहा है सर.
आपको चाहिए अगर आप मेंटेन कर लेंगे वो भी जनता देने के लिए तैयार.
Wonderful.
अभी देखिए
Okay, decision that jointly we will collect a financial pool and willing to even share the expenses so that this park remains independent instead of maintained by municipal. आप जानते हो कि जो चीज म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन लेती है उसका क्या हाल होता है.
जी.
हाँ जी.
सर एक चीज हम लोग ने जो कहा
कॉर्पोरेशन होती है ऐसे ही होती है.
जी
एक चीज उन्होंने कहा कि लोकल कमिटी has to be part of the security arrangements. जैसे बोले कि some people came. Yes, please.
I'll give you an example. If you look at the MET grounds, which are next to the MET college,
Yes.
was taken over by the BMC 4 months ago, 5 months ago.
Yes.
A lot of senior citizens, and it is 1/3 the size, or smaller than this, very small. Senior citizens sit over there. There are already drug peddlers inside. That day, cyclists came in. The watchman could not stop them. 2 senior citizens were knocked. So what I'm
Here in this park?
No.
In that park, in the MET park. Okay.
MET park, which has been taken over by BMC, so which is such a small park. So we are very scared that if this is what is going to happen, then iska kya hoga?
And you never know. Maybe 20 years later, if you don't watch it, there might be a huge building here. One never knows.
I want to tell you what is happening in the next 1 year. I think all of you are aware. The coastal road is coming here.
Yes.
If the coastal road comes here, where is our view here? And are they trying to then have an outlet
But that's a different discussion altogether.
Yeah.
As far as the coastal road is concerned, I'm not sure if the coastal road will stand legal scrutiny. I'm not sure.
I got a tweet from my MLA saying it's going to be passed in 1 month's time.
Which is okay. He can pass it, but the fact remains, ultimately it will be the Supreme Court that will have to pass it. And the environmental issues associated with the coastal road, because please remember, this is not Australia.
Exactly.
This is not Florida.
Yeah.
This is Mumbai. It has been around, Mumbai has been around for the last over 200 years.
Yeah.
So having a coastal road here, I don't know. To me it looks like a silly idea. But
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you for taking interest
But
in
thank you
this
so
one.
much, sir. And all the very best to you. All the very, very best to you. Thank you very much for talking to me. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
यहाँ की ब्यूटी एक बार और देख लीजिए और मैं
Thank you so much.
आशा करता हूँ कि सूरज जो डूब रहा है कल सुबह नया सूरज बन के आएगा
Random waters logo say
Yeah.
diversity of
Yeah, we'll talk to everybody. We'll talk to everybody, not to worry. Let's go back in over there. Let's take a look. Because over here, this place is narrow. We are disturbing everybody who's walking. Yeah. We'll go there too.
There were some animals.
children area. Parents are there.
We got plenty of time.
Bloggers.
We have plenty of time. Revati, where are you? Yeah, that's okay. Come on.
Parents are there.
Yes. Now, Pradeep, this is a lovely place. This is a beautiful place.
You got the sea out here. You got a beautiful garden out here.
कहाँ गए? आसिफ भाई कहाँ गए?
आसिफ जी आइए.
मेरा ये कहना है कि आसिफ जी कि भाई चलते हुए घोड़े को कोई चाबुक नहीं मारता है. Sir, would you like to say something? आइए बोलिए. नहीं.
You love to jog here.
नहीं सर, हम लोगों को सिर्फ खौफ है और जो रियलिटी है कि ये
इधर आते हैं हम लोग हर रोज आते हैं.
अच्छा आप रोज आते हैं.
आप रोज आते हैं.
Wonderful, क्या बात है.
अगर आप रोज आते हैं तो अब तो बीएमसी ने टेक ओवर कर लिया.
अरे क्या बात है.
क्या करेंगे?
बीएमसी ने लिया तो गलत है वो
जी
एकदम गलत है. अभी क्या फ्री करेगा, कोई भी आएगा, नंगा लड़का भी आएगा, कोई भी सब बेगर्स भी आएगा, वैल्यू नहीं रहेगा ना उसके लिए, कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा.
दुरुस्त बात.
गलत बात है वो.
Everybody here is feeling.
आसिफ भाई, मैं आपसे ये पूछ रहा था कि चलते हुए घोड़े को चाबुक नहीं मारते. समझे? ये बड़ी खूबसूरत जगह है. पहले से ही इतनी खूबसूरत जगह है. अब इसको बीएमसी इम्प्रूव क्या करेगी? जब भी इम्प्रूवमेंट की बात आती है और बीएमसी बीच में आती है तो मुझे बड़ा डर लग जाता है.
जी और ये डर सर आप ही को नहीं है, हम सब लोगों को है.
Hi Daryl, how are you? Hi Daryl. Meeting you after years and years. Yes. Here we are, our very old friend, journalist Daryl DeMonte. Hi Daryl. Hi. So the BMC is going to improve this place, right?
That remains to be seen. And the real point is, why isn't the BMC taking over those parks which are controlled by politicians who have caused this whole problem?
Right.
Otherwise, we could have continued to be in the same situation. The park was running perfectly well.
Yes.
And as Americans say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Right. That's exactly what we were talking about right now.
Good.
चलते हुए घोड़े को नहीं मारते.
बिल्कुल.
है कि नहीं? अब यहाँ पे अगर BMC इम्प्रूवमेंट करेगी तो BMC का इम्प्रूवमेंट तो एक ही होता है कि यहाँ पे बिल्डिंग बना दी जाए. मतलब is that the final objective?
BMC won't do that. No. But
I won't. You have great faith in the BMC.
We are well organized in Bandra, so we can take them on. We can take them.
The fear, as you said, sir, BMC the first thing खड्डे खोदना.
Yes.
सब जगह खड्डे खोद के इधर joggers, there'll be good high jumpers and
No, there'll be cross country. No. But Daryl, tell me.
Yes.
Sorry, sir. One second. Please, tell me. Daryl, do tell me. Why would the BMC do something like that? I mean, they're playing the victim here. The BMC that we talk to, all the people that we talk to, they're playing the victim here. They say, damned if you do and damned if you don't.
This is a prestigious area.
Right.
People come on the. This is on the Mumbai tourist map.
Yes.
So people come here just to see what a place this is. As you know, there's a whole film named after it.
Yes.
So I think it's.
There are many films that have been made here. Yeah. No, not just one.
One after its name. Yes. So I think it's that kind of issue. But they should start taking back all those parks which are in politician names first.
But what do you think is going to happen?
This will continue. They will continue. We have a committee now, luckily, which will put some pressure on them.
No, but people are complaining about security. People were also complaining about the fact that somebody had come in and the person was drinking in the children's area.
I think
so what are we planning to do about that?
The ward officer seems to be open. Let's give him a chance. Since the committee has been formed today, Friends of Joggers Park, Save Joggers Park. Let's give everybody.
Very good. Wonderful.
Thank
you. I'll show you this. जी बताइए.
Whether you like it or it's the history.
No, why won't anybody like it? It is the truth.
They are trying to cover it.
See,
But why?
They want to tape. They're going.
But why? With whose permission?
At the end.
They will remove it also.
Yeah.
Yes, construction of the walls done by K. But this is the truth. The fact is, three big groups came together, the Rahejas, the Lokhandwalas and Rizvi, and they developed this place.
Exactly.
So I don't understand. Why would you want to cover it?
No, this is the fear that when DMC comes, they will...
Entrance तो कर ही दिए, entrance में मिटा दिए.
Our municipal councillor, Sir Oliver Andrade. Now even that is being covered.
This garden was called to serve with love.
Yes.
Exactly.
want to remove history because they're the people who created the park. Nowhere we have seen it. Nowhere we have seen this kind of things happening.
No, if you have seen the condition of what this place was, it was a dump yard. It was
a garbage dump.
It was a garbage dump.
Yes.
And we never believed that it would become like this. Nobody believed it would become like this.
Their fears are totally...
they're very, very well founded. You can't say. So you wanted to say something. I'm so sorry I interrupted you.
The biggest fear is that they will commercialize it, put advertisements on this.
Yes.
Even outside car parking, at one time somebody came and started charging for the cars and it was protested. So that will also start. Because
Somebody just now told me that they're thinking of putting food stalls outside.
Yeah. So the people who come and sell things outside, they are not even stopped today. Previously, anybody comes there, he would have been removed immediately.
Yes.
Not today.
Not today.
Lots of people are still standing outside.
Right.
So probably they're not collecting the entry fee, which was a deterrent for some people, miscreants.
Not just the entry fee, also the security. That must have been under these people.
Under them.
I'll give you an example. What happened day before yesterday? One lady came running. We had just finished our meeting, and she said, "Oh my God, my bag has disappeared." So the lady which security guard who is appointed by the BMC, I said, I'll speak in Marathi. तुम्ही काय करत होता तिकडे? He says, oh, मी sorry, toilet मध्ये गेले होते. But I said, you have to keep a substitute here, no, at the entrance. So she said, oh, I don't know where he was.
So whose security is it now? अभी security किसकी है? BMC की. और आप लोगों की जो थी वो गई?
हाँ, उसकी बैग चली गई, वो लड़की की. So we told her, go to the Bandra police station and register a complaint. In the meantime, one woman comes running back. Sorry, I took your bag by mistake. Now, what I'm saying is, it was lucky that it went off so smoothly.
Right. Sir, you wanted to say something? Excuse me, sir. You wanted to say something?
The contract has been given to Vaibhav Enterprises. BMC directly is not controlling anything.
What has been given to?
Vaibhav Enterprises.
What is this? Vaibhav Enterprises? Private security firm.
No, it's a private entity that is maintaining for the BMC. So what we are telling BMC is, instead of giving it to Vaibhav Enterprises, give it to
Vaibhav Enterprises.
We are prepared to take it on back-to-back basis.
So what, a tender was floated? What happened? How did you get it?
We don't know.
We have given RTI for that. RTI 30 days. Before 30 days, they'll take over the entire place. So, and then they'll delay it for another 60 days.
We have requested all the documents through RTI.
Yes.
And when we receive it, we will analyze that.
Exactly. Wow.
But the one thing, as you said, if everything is being maintained so well,
yes.
There is no
Why do you want to come along and do something idiotic?
Yes, and as they say, like politicians, they name some politicians who are your friends and everybody's friends also, that they have got clubs built out there. They've got clubs built out. They're earning huge amounts of money. The wedding, functions and all. Here, it's so social.
Yes.
People, retired people coming, having their own.
There's no structure
There's
over
no
there.
structure at all.
Yes.
And it was this spirit of these people that kept the structures away. In other words, it will take a minute to have a structure out here.
And very shortly there'll be a slum here.
Yes, probably.
And very soon the slum dwellers will have ration cards.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
People were sleeping here in the afternoon.
Yes.
All these rickshaw-wallahs.
Yes.
They were sleeping here in the afternoon.
Right.
That's also a complaint.
Correct. But that's because it's open in the afternoon.
Yeah, what do you want to do?
No,
and you know,
they
we've
say
been very fortunate in the 25 years there has not been a single molestation case here. Not even one, you'll agree.
Not even an eavesdressing
Not
case.
even,
Yes.
not even a single case.
Yes.
But you don't know now what will happen in the afternoon.
So
they say that they cannot charge amount for people coming in. Roadside parking they charge. Why can't they charge here and maintain it properly?
No, they maintained it so well, they were not allowing any...
No, but what ma'am said just now was that the toilets, which used to be not really swanky, but used to be clean and usable, are unusable now.
Exactly.
Because nobody's coming to clean them.
On the road, no, and you're allowing anybody on the road to come in and use it, na?
Right.
The rickshaw driver comes here.
That means everybody has got a message, now this park is free.
Yeah.
Now this park is free, so let's... this is home.
This is a home for us now. This is a home for all the people.
But this place is really lovely. I mean, this is absolutely wonderful. Don't you think this is really and truly wonderful?
I mean, it's
absolutely
really,
amazing.
It's amazing. It's beautiful.
Absolutely
actually.
incredible. Really and truly lovely. I think this is the pride of Mumbai, this place.
Absolutely.
Not just the pride of Bandra. And I think we should do everything possible to try and save it.
Unfortunately, one sports teacher is not here. Can I speak on his behalf?
Yes.
See, though the park closes at 9 o'clock, there are some schools which have like competitions between long jumps and this whatever, and that area is used for it. Now what he's scared of is if you're throwing it open to everybody, we won't get that space only.
No, you won't.
लास्ट वर्ड फॉर द इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन ये जो सिस्टम चल रहा था आज 15-20 साल से, तो इसमें कोई किसी को शिकायत ही नहीं थी। अगर वो भी चलता रहे तो हमें पुलिस की भी जरूरत नहीं है, हमें एक्स्ट्रा हेल्प की भी जरूरत नहीं है। ये जो सिस्टम था हमारा, अगर वो किसी भी तरह कायम रख सकता है अगर बीएमसी, तो आई एम वेरी गुड।
अगर बीएमसी ऐसा वो सिस्टम कायम रखे। जी बोलिए ना, बोलिए प्लीज आइए प्लीज। जी क्या करेंगे अभी हम लोग?
हम लोगों को ये पार्क बहुत अच्छा लगता है। बांद्रा में बेस्ट पार्क है। जिस दिन से ये जॉगर्स पार्क बना है उसी दिन से हमारे दादाजी ने इधर आना शुरू किया है, हमें साथ में उसी दिन से एक दिन भी मिस नहीं करते हैं।
Very 27 years हो गए?
20 बरस हो गया होगा, more than 20 years.
27 years.
27 years.
और अभी जो बीएमसी ने टेक ओवर कर लिया है उससे पार्क ज्यादा अच्छा होगा या खराब होगा?
अभी अच्छा खराब होगा वो तो हो जाने, लेकिन इतनी उम्मीद नहीं है, अच्छे होने की कोई उम्मीद नहीं।
ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस, रियली
अच्छे होने की
Heaven.
उम्मीद कम है, एंड दिस इज नाउ डेज वेरी गुड, बेस्ट है
जी।
और ऐसा होना ही चाहिए, वापस पब्लिक को ही होना चाहिए, कंट्रोल में होना चाहिए।
नहीं, और जिस तरीके से अभी पहले तो वही टाइम होता था 5 से 9:30,
yes,
और उसके बाद 3 के बाद वो
have to interview
मतलब
her.
this is terrible.
She's an amazing senior citizen.
जी बताएं
She
प्लीज।
stands
Please.
over here.
Watch
Yeah.
your show on TV.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I am honored.
And she always
I am
stands
really
there.
honored.
Most of our signatures are because of her.
10,000
So,
people have signed.
so, ma'am, I would request you kindly to look at the camera. The camera is here.
Please.
ठीक है। अच्छा, okay. Sorry. अच्छा, चलिए कोई बात नहीं. Now the point is, the BMC has taken over this park. As of today, ये पार्क अब BMC के पास है.
Right.
तो अब आप ये बताएं, अभी क्या करेंगे हम लोग? What are we
क्या
doing?
करें? आप बताओ. You are always solving all our problems.
No. What I'm saying is that now the signatures have been collected.
Yes.
By the way, suppose it doesn't work. Now let me put it to you this way.
शुभ बोलो भाई.
No, एक minute. I hope it does. As everybody over here has expressed the hope कि भाई सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. अगर मान लीजिए नहीं होगा, are we planning to go to court and prevent the BMC from destroying this place and turning this into an open loo? Are we planning to do that?
Priyadarshini Park is doing.
Yes, we'll have to do something like that.
Definitely, we have already spoken to Majid Memon Sahab, and he's ready to help us out. And if at all we fail in our protest, we will definitely take the
legal route.
Right. Definitely.
Right.
We all are
because knowing the BMC.
Yes.
Whereas the local councillor, the ward officer, etc., might listen to you, but finally, when it goes back to BMC headquarters, there are enough people over there who
fighting,
will
sir.
To convince it to make it a loo.
We will keep fighting. We'll keep fighting for it.
People of all walks of life
Yes.
come here in the evening.
Yes.
And they are
I
all,
can see that.
They are all ready to go all out to preserve the park. This is the pride of the Bombay. This was the first joggers park started in
and made
Bombay.
out of a landfill, made out of a garbage dump.
This was the first joggers park started in the town, and all other joggers parks have followed the suit.
Yes.
And this is the well-maintained park so far.
Yes, it will continue to be, I'm sure.
Yeah. We will see that ensure that it is correct. It continues.
Why the fear among the people? The people fear because BMC has not showcased any place which they can proudly say, yes, this is what we have created.
Right.
That is the fear. That is the fear. You want to say something? Come.
What BMC has done is they've only destroyed people and destroyed things. Yes,
you
were saying. Please.
Absolutely. You just look out on the roads are dug up, everything is so messy. So we have something which is excellent.
So they plan the same thing here.
We hope they don't.
To give you a taste.
We hope they don't do that because it's an excellent place for us to walk.
Lot of people have, we are a regular walker here, we have a fear that it's not going to be maintained as it was being done. Even toilets and railings and encroachment from various people, bakers coming in, all that I don't know how they are going to protect.
Right, and finally you'll also have hawkers coming in over here.
Very
shortly. Yes. Ji बताएं.
Hi, I've been playing in this park for a very long time, since
Right.
I was a kid, and as a young woman, I think safety is a huge issue.
Yes.
And safety is a huge concern, and ever since the watchmen have been, replaced, and the things, it just seems like there's a huge safety concern. I come here in the evening, and anyone enters and it's dangerous, and you feel like you have to be on guard all the time, and this wasn't an issue before.
This wasn't an issue before, right?
So yes,
right.
so I think that has
right. But
Ashish
Shelar said that the security will be much better than it was earlier.
We appreciate that, sir.
Right.
Absolutely,
we appreciate, but
we haven't seen that
still
happen yet.
Doubt about it.
Maybe as soon as the new mayor comes in.
Somebody has to look out.
In fact, this is his constituency.
Let's not get an
No, but what they're saying is right. In fact, he should have a confidence-building measure. I mean, they doubt all the, and they say they have dug up. The BMC has already said we are taking over now. They have dug up the outside, as she said. We are taking over.
हम लोग ये कभी होने नहीं हम ये आश्वासन देते हैं
What another thing they have done is the employees who have worked here for 22 years.
Yeah, what about
and their salaries were around 12,000. They have brought the salaries down to 9,000, and it's totally illegal. You cannot reduce the benefit of an individual employee without his consent. And what about the continuity of service and their gratuity benefits, etc.? Some of them will come for retirement in the next 2-3 years.
Right.
What happens to them?
So finally, which means, we arrive at the inescapable conclusion that we'll have to go to court. That's what it means. That's what it means.
So I feel it is necessary to go to the court for one more reason.
Yes.
Most of the laws in the country allow for exemption if the purpose for which the law is made is already been met fully.
Yes.
And therefore, they cannot just,
enforce.
take away something which doesn't belong to them.
Right.
And they have zero contribution to it.
So
And when it is being well maintained.
How insensitive they are. Can you see this?
Yes,
That
I
is an
saw that.
award. That is an award that Joggers Park got. Usko whitewash kar diya.
Oh God, this is terrible. Let's take a look.
It's a bigger agenda.
Yeah.
It seems to be a bigger agenda.
Oh my God, this is absolutely terrible. And what is the award? What is the award?
What was the award for?
I think the award was given.
Best Civic Award 92-93.
Yeah.
Okay. Best Civic Award 92-93 and given by BMC itself?
Bombay Chamber of Commerce.
By the Bombay Chamber of Commerce.
Yeah.
And look what has happened to it. वो देखिए, देखिए, उसको दिखाइए, उधर दिखाइए. क्या बात है
इसका जरूरत क्या है? I mean, why do you want to destroy the history of this particular park?
Right. Why do you want to destroy it in the first place? That's what I would like to ask. Okay, can we go to the children's section? Can we go that side? Let's go that side. Oh, that we'll do later. आइए. प्रताप जी आइए. चलिए.
उधर.
चलिए.
Straight and left.
चलिए. Let's go straight down.
Our friends are asking when it will be relayed on TV. Very nice meeting you, my dear. Our friends are asking when
Yeah,
it
we
will
will
be.
tell you. We'll inform Mr. Asif. He'll inform everybody on the WhatsApp.
After midnight tonight. Right.
From face I know very well.
Yes.
I see you on the television.
Thank you, sir.
But I forgot the name.
My name is Rajiv Vidyath, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Chaliye. Let's take a look. This is really and truly lovely. Beautiful.
She wants to speak.
Yes, of course. Boliye. Chaliye.
How do you like the park?
How do you like the park? What do you think of the park? Do you jog in the park or no? Yes or no? All right, fine. Ready. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. One second. I would like them to shoot this. चलिए आइए. ये इधर देखिए जरा.
ये history of the park.
Now this is what has been covered over there. वहाँ पर उसको पेंट कर दिया गया, उस पर टेप लगा दी गई थी.
थोड़ी देर पहले इसको भी कवर किया गया था, पेपर हटा दिया हम लोगों ने.
आपने हटा दिया. चलिए.
अच्छा ये
So which means now there will be a case against you for vandalism.
Okay, मैं फेस करने को तैयार हूँ. मिस्टर दाते, सीनियर जनरल.
नमस्कार.
और रेगुलर
रेगुलर
हम लोगों के साथ हैं और उनकी एडवाइस हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
I agree with the view. It was being run very well, and all this defacing is not correct. But you see, democracy demands that it should be free. That's all I want to say.
We are not.
They are very decent people, so I'm not disagreeing with things. But that is the only thing, and we should not discriminate against the poor, and we should not be afraid that they are going to spoil the park. Because the BMC is doing a good job in running at Malabar Hill. They are running the park. There is no problem. It is free. No, I'm totally with this. They are quite nice people, so I'm not disputing that. But I think.
But why would they want to cover the history of the place?
That again.
Why would they want to paint that award which has been given to the park? Why would they want to paint all those doors?
Yeah, that can be definitely disputed. Yeah.
Yes.
It was not fair. So that's.
Maybe they just gave the job to a contractor who was overzealous. He was not told what area not to paint.
I don't
perhaps.
think he knew what he was painting.
Right, that too. But why would you need to paint it in the first place?
Children's area because they will.
Let's go. Otherwise, the children will leave. Thank you, Mr. Date. Great talking to you. Great talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
Children's area.
Let's go to that's a children's area over there. Yes. Okay, that's a children's area. If our cameraman can turn around and take a look, वो बच्चों का जो इलाका है, वो देखिए भाई ऐसी चीजें सबसे बड़ी बात है कि मुंबई शहर में वैसे भी बच्चों की खेलने की जगह बहुत कम होती है और यहाँ पर इतनी खूबसूरत तरीके से आपने इसको बनाया है भाई हमें तो लगता है कि जैसा था वैसे ही चलना चाहिए जहाँ तक हम समझ रहे हैं।
सर हम खराब तो नहीं होने देंगे सारे हमारे जितने अगल बगल के रेसिडेंट्स वाले हैं
जी
सारे एकजुट हो गए हैं और उनका एक ही मकसद है कि हम इसको खराब तो नहीं होने
आसिफ भाई ये आप अभी बोल रहे हैं
सर
ये एंथुसियाज्म ये उत्साह जो है ये कब तक रहेगा?
नहीं सर हम लोग यहीं बगल में रहते हैं
जी
एंड एवरी डे वी कम टू द पार्क एंड वी आर more than 300-400 people we have got together we are meeting every day here तो उसमें से कोई ना कोई हाँ तो नसीम भाई is always there so we'll keep a watch on this and we'll not let any bad thing happen here
right
but sir, I've seen this I've seen because all the people because they're so much involved in this cleanliness of this park I've seen people pulling if they try to spit, if the small children try to come with tricycles, every individual out here who is part of the park, everybody is a security. I mean, they behave that they need to clean this place. They need to take care of, there should be no disruption.
Right.
That spirit was absolutely prevalent among them.
Yes.
Now you see, that spirit has gone off.
That spirit will go away.
Yes.
After all, Mr. Date is an old socialist.
Yes.
As he says, let everybody come in.
He's got a point that
which is all
there
right.
can't be discrimination.
By there cannot be discrimination, I agree with you. However, that whosoever comes in has to keep the park clean, does not need to dirty the place and will not cause a nuisance.
And food is not allowed inside, sir.
Yes, and no food allowed inside. Let's take a look at the park over here. Let's take a look at the park. This is really and truly lovely. So which means the children of Bandra have some place to play. That's the most important point.
They have maintained it as you say for 27 years.
Much less.
No, naturally. अरे भाई naturally it would be much less. एक बार BMC आ गई तो उसके बाद क्या होगा? लोगों के ज़हन में डर भी तो आ जाता है कि यार क्या यहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है? But this is a really lovely place.
I said 2-3 points where if people maintain the decency, decorum, if people, the security is maintained, this kind of antisocial elements are not allowed to come and security is maintained, then I don't think people have any problem. They care for this. They care for the park because they are 27 years, they have been continuously out here. Say they want to maintain the same standards. If BMC gives a kind of, confidence among them, confidence building measures that yes, meet the people, talk to them, interact with them, मुझे लगता है कि सब problem solve हो जाएगा.
Yeah, see what I'm saying?
Yes.
She took out the shoes. Remember telling you about the shoes?
Yeah.
Her shoes were missing. Somebody came and took her shoes away.
Right.
So the security problems have started already.
It used to be.
So security problems.
Like at least I've been coming here for more than 7 years. This place is like home to me. I've seen my kids play here, play there. They're free to run around and all that. The guards knew each and every person coming over here.
But now you've got new guards, right?
Now we've got new guards. The guards are clueless. There is no responsibility in the guards. One day there's somebody, next day somebody else. So they are completely clueless who's coming. Earlier the guards knew each and every person.
Yeah.
One day we came here and there are all these men. They all are sitting over there and you know.
They are really from
and the place is lovely. And the place is lovely for kids because you don't need to spend the rest of the day in your building. You can come over here.
There is no other place for them to go and play.
Right.
And garden, so I hope they maintain this garden. There is flowers, there's greenery, everything. I feel it's going to be destroyed if it is being by the.
And
Ideally.
Not like there are not.
Single child was allowed to go out to the park. Immediately they intervene, announce on the public system about the parents.
Right now the kind of
Amazing.
kids are coming inside. You see, झोपड़पट्टी के बच्चे भी आ रहे हैं. अभी अब बच्चे
That's
लोग.
fine if they come, but then free park, these kids can go.
Then they come, but then they spoil the thing. They break the swing and they break
You need to have security in place. As they said, बच्चे बाहर नहीं जाते थे. You know, it was such a lot of security control. Yes, they used to announce. दादा साहब ये missing हो रहा लगता है. Security is a big aspect. बच्चे बाहर जाए पहले बहुत आपका control था. अब वो control नहीं रहा. बच्चे बाहर जाए घूम जाए.
जूते चोरी हो रहे हैं बच्चों के.
जूते चोरी हो रहे हैं बच्चों के. तो ये
BMC should be regulatory rather than executive. They should regulate and give the agency.
You see, I have learned over the years. I have been a journalist since 1981. All right. I've worked in practically every place that there is. The fact remains, one thing we have learned, wherever the government doesn't interfere, things go on very, very well indeed. Wherever the government interferes, you see things going haywire. That's been my experience. Dada Saab disagrees, but that's been my experience.
We heard about it.
Respectful to everybody, so I don't mean any.
So you can disagree with respect.
Okay.
Yes.
You know, Hyde Park.
Yes.
In the 19th century, there was a big struggle. You know, whole of masses came in to assert the right to vote.
Yes.
1866.
Yes.
And then in the British Parliament, there was a big uproar. The park was closed to prevent the poor from coming in. There was a big uproar in the British Parliament. I mean, it is. You see, that is the point. Is universally these are places for the common people to come in. I mean, just for one day it was closed, and it is part of history, and you will find so many references in books.
Yeah, but the only thing is, nobody objects to anybody coming in. Nobody objects to even free. What everybody objects to, and not objects to, expects that whosoever comes in will maintain the decorum of the place, will not litter the place, will not destroy the place, and will not steal. That's all.
Exactly, that is what we want for our children.
Yes.
So you also don't disagree. You don't disagree on those particular aspects.
So you haven't displeased anyone?
No, it was being maintained very well. No, specifically.
Everybody
No, I
goes
must.
in one direction. Now
Yes.
people, you will see people.
Yes, go ahead. Please talk.
I've been here since I was a baby.
You've been here since you were a baby. You're still a baby. So, yes.
I don't want anyone to rule this park.
Nobody wants to harm this park, and we are not going to let anyone harm this park.
I don't want anyone to litter this park and save the park.
Right, save the park. You want to say something? Go on.
You also want to save the park.
Yes.
Save the park.
Right. No littering.
No littering.
Wonderful. All right. Yes.
It's been a very peaceful place. Our Guruji comes here for a walk every day in the evening. They're a saint and they find it so beautiful. So we would like that to continue, you know.
You would like that to continue. Right.
The harmony, the place, no littering. Yes,
Please go ahead. Yes, please come forward.
The thing is that we have a bitter experience with the BMC. They are the most corrupt people and we don't rely with the BMC. So we would like to handle these things by ourselves.
Correct.
So we
I don't think you will find anybody who disagrees with you here except Mr. Date. Yes.
No, it's not a question of disagreeing.
Yes.
We know the past history, we see the potholes, we see the bloody things going bad to worse. So we are not actually happy with the BMC. I'm a senior citizen for last 65 years. I've been seeing it's getting bad to worst. So I request the BMC to please hand over the things to us. So that so the younger generations can have a better fruits of our deeds.
Right.
The hard work that you put on.
Right. So in effect, the majority says BMC, please go. Right. Or if you want to stay, we'll run it ourselves. You can be in a supervisory capacity.
Yes.
Right. Can we go take a look at the animals, please? Let's go take a look on that side. So we'll go from here. This is really lovely, but a great place for kids to play in.
There's agreement on many things.
Gee.
The most important, as you say, the decorum has to maintain, there has to be cleanliness. As there are incidents of robbery and theft out here, the shoes disappearing, and people, antisocial elements coming in and having drinks out here, which was not. They don't allow people to eat out here, and they have maintained such a good discipline. And everybody here was involved in the process.
Yes.
It was not just left to security. It was not left to the guards. Everybody got involved, and you see right now that kind of involvement and the spirit of involvement is slowly disappearing.
Gee.
They want it back. They want it back. They believe.
Azam bhai, ye bataएं. There you go. Littering has already started. Fine. And isn't this wonderful? BMC comes in.
It's wonderful.
Comes in.
Kids here.
And
they love this place.
Everybody loves this place. Even I love this place. It's such a wonderful place. And as far as Joggers Park is concerned, everybody comes over here. But the problem is, once the BMC has taken over, what I am only scared of, Asif ji, what I am only scared of is, जिस बात का मुझे डर है, वो ये है कि भाई एक बार अब BMC अंदर आ गई है, मुंबई महानगर पालिका एक बार अंदर आ गई है, उसके बाद you are going to be involved in a lot of, legal red tape, bureaucracy. चिट्ठी इधर वो दूसरी चिट्ठी होगा यस यस सर इट्स मेंटेन्ड सो वेल ऑल दिस
आपको बता दूं देखिए आ रही है
जी बताइए
पानी कम हो रहा है जी अब तक इसका पानी जरा ऊपर से तक भर जाना चाहिए
जी
अगर ये एक दो रोज के अंदर
जी
ये पानी नहीं भरा तो उसके दे ऑल विल डाई यू कैन फिश
कौवे आते हैं और मछली निकाल के ले जाते हैं और खाते हैं कम पानी की वजह से जब तक हम यहाँ बैठते हैं और पिछला स्टाफ था तो हम कहते थे तो पानी आ जाता था अभी पानी नहीं आ रहा है
ये छोटी-छोटी बातें हैं सर जो
and lovely fish look at the fish beautiful
what was happening to the penguins is going to happen to the fishes out here
yes
and
what happened to the penguins in the zoo
that is what they fear
this is what's going to happen to the geese and the ducks yes you agree do you agree yes say they agree right save Joggers Park perfect well that's just about it from the RKB show from me Rajiv K. Bajaj from Pradeep Nambiar and Revati that's it and keep watching Metro Network. I hope we are able to save Joggers Park. यानी Joggers Park जिस तरीके से अभी तक चल रहा था, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ वैसा ही चलता रहेगा. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि जो खूबसूरती Joggers Park की थी, एक बार फिर वैसी खूबसूरती देखने को मिलेगी. Hopefully, after the BMC mayor gets elected. Maybe they're having a problem right now because this is a transition period. But all the same, as they say, in a democracy, you wish to maintain your freedom, constant vigil is the need of the hour. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Builders around here are concerned. As far as the municipality around here is concerned, उनके लिए this is a dumping ground. ये लोग जो हैं यहाँ पर 30 के 40 बरस से यहीं पर रह रहे हैं. ये प्राइवेट लैंड है.
चलो सर हम भी ये चाहते हैं कि हमारा ये एरिया डेवलप हो.
सुंदर